What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. What we're doing today, we're gonna be working on the rebuild go-kart. We're gonna be putting on the throttle cable here. I got the bolt right here. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna take the bolt part and we're gonna weld it onto the pedal, and then I'm gonna have this hook up to right here like this. Hook it up to like there like that and bolt it on, and then just have that side here go all the way up to the engine. So let's go get to work on that. So temporarily, because I really wanted to drive it the one day, which I ended up breaking the wheel. The wheel popped off, but I used a weed whacker cable, just tied up to that, and I made a custom like throttle thing, which was pretty cool. But then we got this. What we're gonna be doing is taking this, running this through here. Have this come up that way. And run it all the way up to here. Let's see if this could fit through this. Alright, it will not fit through there. Oh, that was not good. Luckily I saw where it went. So I got her hooked up. I got the hole drilled out here. All I gotta do now is just set up where I want this at. I'm probably gonna just clamp this to what we call it, the thing right here where my hand is, just for now until I get something more permanent. Okay, I gotta screw that off. Or I may just real quick, or I may just zip tie this to, or I may just, I don't know what I'm doing yet exactly with this, but doing something. Alright guys, so I got that. I got a nice spacer there for this. So she's working. I need to adjust this over here, tighten up the line. Cool. That's cool. Alright, that's good there like that for now. You probably may just have stand like this, but I do gotta make a bracket for this eventually. Not right now, but eventually. I do gotta make a bracket for this so that she stays there. What I might even do is just make it so that it's like, let's see. So what I'm probably gonna do is slice a hole in this with a blade, and then slide it on here, put it here, and then weld something to here so that you can go whoop. So just that goes like on like that, and just tighten around this thing. So probably do something like that. Other than that, she looks like she's on there pretty good right now. Probably get the throttle back on here. Alright, I think I said airbox. I think I said whatever I said. Whatever I said, I meant to say airbox. Alright, let's get these all tightened up and we'll start her up. Alright, turn the gas on. Then we're in start mode, and turn this baby on, and let's see. Oh wait. All right, let's start her up. My water. Works perfect. All right, so all we'll have to do in the next video will just be getting our bracket onto here. I guess next, and also with that, we're gonna have to get this baby all straightened out, because right now she's crooked like this. So Next video, we're also gonna be straightening her out like this, so she's nice and straight. Also, with that, we're also gonna be moving the engine over. So, I don't know how exactly I'm doing that just yet. I might be moving the engine, maybe cutting this off and re-welding it down a little bit more so we move over. Or another thing I might do, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing yet. I really don't know what I'm doing yet with this exactly. I don't know how I'm going to do it all yet, but if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like down below and also leave a comment down. Also, subscribe to the channel, and then if you want to see more of this stuff, also this is going to be running soon, so we're going to be taking on the road and stuff. It shouldn't be, but... So yeah, if you guys want to see any of that content, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.